my channel. Today I'll be unboxing a Barbie doll. And let's open it. Here's the front and it has a zip, and this is the back. Now let's open it. So first we need to get this out. We got the thing out, now let's open it. Get this out. Here's the box. It's so cool, and now we're going to open it. So these are all our accessories. So let's put our shoes on. Those are our shoes. And now let's put our hat. I hope you like my Barbie unboxing. Subscribe and like. Bye!